So now we are discussing the extensor compartment of the forearm muscles. First from lateral to medial side. So some scientists they are saying brachioradialis according to the nerve supply we are saying it is belongs to the extensor compartment. But it is present in the flexor compartment region because it is present towards the flexor to make an action flexion at the elbow joint. So brachioradialis, see, it takes origin from the brachium. So it takes origin from here, arm, brachioradialis. Next to extensor carpi radialis longus. Extensor carpi radialis longus here. This is the extensor carpi radialis longus. This is the extensor carpi radialis longus. See, extensor carpi radialis longus. This is the extensor carpi radialis brevis. This is the extensor carpi radialis brevis. So, radial side, three muscles are there. Brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor carpi radialis brevis. These three muscles nerve supply is radial nerve. Okay. Next, extensor digitorum longus. Another muscle is extensor digitorum longus. See here. This is the extensor digitorum longus. What is this? Extensor digitorum. It is a extensor digitorum. Extensor digiti minimi. What is this? Extensor digiti minimi. It is going towards the little finger. See, this is the little finger tendon. I can show here. When I contracts, it is going. See, when I pulling all this, it is moving. So, it is going to this tendons inserted where index finger, middle finger, and ring finger, and this is going to insert where little finger. What about thumb? Pollicis longus, brevis, extensor digitorum, extensor pollicis longus. Okay, this time minimi. Next, what about this? Ulnar side it is going. Extensor carpi ulnaris. See here. This is the extensor carpi ulnaris. So, ulnar side, extensor carpi ulnaris, extensor digiti minimi, extensor digitorum, and next three muscles. Extensor carpi radialis brevis, extensor carpi radialis longus, brachioradialis. These are all superficial muscles. These are all superficial muscles. Three muscles here. Brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor carpi radialis brevis. This is the brevis. Just below, longus below, brevis is there. Next, extensor digitorum, extensor digiti minimi, extensor carpi ulnaris. What is extensor carpi ulnaris? These are all superficial muscles. This what is about this band? Extensor retinaculum. Very clearly I can cut now. I can show. This is the extensor retinaculum band. So now then only we can lift all these muscle tendons from here. Hold it. See, now I am removing. See how these tendons are coming. Little also I can cut it. See how this time enemy. See, this is a digitime enemy. This is a digitorum. This is the ulnaris, flexor carpi ulnaris. This also we can cut it now. See, this is a extensor carpi ulnaris, extensor digitorum minimi, extensor digitorum, extensor carpi radialis brevis, extensor carpi radialis longus, brachioradialis. What are the deeper muscles? Now, the deeper muscles. 3 muscles are there mainly here, lower part of the extensor compartment of forearm region. After remove this extensor retinaculum, then it is clearly visible. See, one is the abductor pollicis longus. This is the abductor pollicis longus. This is the abductor pollicis longus. Just below extensor pollicis brevis. This is the extensor pollicis brevis. Well, collectively it is look like a single muscle, but 2 muscles, 2 different actions. One is for the abduction of the thumb. This is abduction of the thumb. Another one, extension of the thumb, flexion, extension. So the brevis and also longus, these 2 for the extension of the thumb. So it is small muscle. That's why we are calling brevis. It is a long tendon, longus. So extensor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis. These 3 muscles mainly we are finding deeper muscles, and also these 3 muscles make a anatomical snub box. How it is forms? So here base is formed by retinaculum. This retinaculum already we are removed. This retinaculum band like this. See, base is formed by extensor retinaculum, okay, and superiorly here 2 tendons, abductor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis. This is the brevis. Next, inferiorly extensor pollicis longus, where these 3 tendons are insertion. See here where it is going up to the thumb region. So these three are going to inserted here. So it is make a apex of the anatomical snub box. So this is the apex of the anatomical snub box. This is the base of the anatomical snub box. This is one border. This is another border. This is known as the anatomical snub box. What are the contents present in the anatomical snub box? Mainly cephalic vein. Next, radial artery. Actually from the flexor compartment of forearm region, radial artery is crossing from the flexor compartment to extensor compartment through this anatomical snub box, reaching to the dorsum of the hand up to here. This crossing from here and reach to here, then continuation as a deep palmar arch of the palm region. Next is cephalic vein. Next another one, superficial branch of the cutaneous branch of the radial nerve. These are the 3 contents we are finding in the anatomical snub box. Okay?